Diyan, nag-usap man tayo na from 65 to 50. Gusto ko nga in writing yun. Sabi mo nga 50. Tapos gusto mo, sabi mo hindi mo kaya hanggang bumaba ka pa nga ng 30. We mentioned the amount. Please, wag ka naman magsinungaling.
No, sir.
Tinutulungan na nga kita.
Sir, if I may,
In tama yung sinasabi ni Senator Ontiveros na hindi ito proper venue. Pero alang-alang na lang yung humanitarian, especially Senator Villar, pambihira naman bibigyan mo lang 2,000 yung anak mo.
Your-
Dalawang anak. So, tinutulungan ka namin. As what Senator Ontiveros said, hindi nga to venue para sa mga problema nyo. Yun. Tapos sasabihin mo na walang amount, pambihira naman. Wala namang ganyanan. Kasi tinutulungan na nga kita. Tsaka tumawag pa dami pang si Congressman Uy, tumawag sa akin, lupitan ako, tulungan. Of course, lahat naman tinutulungan ko. Me being the chairman of Committee on National Defense, 11, 12, 13 Congress, tapos ngayon nakabalik ako sa Kongreso, talagang tinutulungan ko lahat, hindi lang AFP, lahat. Ano? Pero ayaw mo magbigay ng 30 kasi ang sabi mo, baka gagamitin sa korte. Yun
Your Honor,
diba?
if I may,
Sige, please.
ang maalala ko po, Your Honor, nung dito na nasabi mo.
Dito tayo,
Yes, sir.
kasama si Senate President.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Oh.
Ang nabanggit niyo po was 30. Yun po ang pumasok sa isip ko po. Sorry po kung nagkamali ako sa pagdinig.
Kayo po nakiusap na 30 lang. That's why I told the honorable members, 30 lang. Sabi, alit naman. Pero 50 talaga ang gusto ko, considering
Your
your
Honor,
records, you have your investments and everything there. Kaya naman.
if I heard you wrong, Your Honor, I submit to that. And again, I'm sorry because what I really understood was that the amount was 30. So, but again, I am very much willing to submit to that agreement. And effective immediately, I will do that, Your Honor. If sana po, the Honorable Committee would consider my appeal. It's just perhaps there was a miscommunication or misunderstanding on my part because at that time, Your Honor, medyo, kung maintindihan lang po, bothered din po ako. But again, I did not intend to commit any yung pagsisinungaling. Wala po akong intention na lukuhin ang itong Honorable Committee. Kung kinakailangan po or dahil nga po sabi 50% of my base pay, I am willing to submit to that, Your Honor.
Senator Ontiveros.
Salamat kayo, Mr. Chair. In general, I've been shown just now yung kopya nung sulat ninyo sa aming chair, committee chair, kung saan nakasulat dito, I declare to increase my support to my children to 15,000 pesos for each child to be given every 15th and 30th day of each month, starting this month. So, yun yung magtototal ng sinasabi nyong akala ninyong 30,000 pesos a month. Nakasulat din po dito na I am taking on this duty to support my children to the best of my ability within my means, as my monthly take-home pay is only 75,542 pesos and 78 centavos. Clarification lang po, sir, dahil naalala ko po nung executive session natin, nung tinanong po namin sa inyo magkano ang base pay nyo lamang, I recall that you said 130,000 pesos a month.
That was the gross pay of because I have not seen my payslip yet as a Brigadier General, Your Honor. It was only when I was required to submit a letter that I saw the amount that I am receiving. But I mentioned last time that it's an equivalent to a salary grade 27. The amount stipulated therein, I did not mention, if I remember right, I mentioned 132, but I know pang colonel yun. Doon ko lang na-realize na pang colonel. But it is a gross pay, Your Honor. Ang ano ko lang sana yung hindi ko kabisa, hindi ko sure yung exact amount ng base pay ng isang brigadier general, but for a colonel po, it's a 90 base pay and the increment is something like 15, so I assume it's 105 for the base pay. Yung ano po, yung sa base pay lang po, hindi natin pag-usapan yung allowances because pag i-total po yan, then minus the deductions po, loan, taxes, perhaps mag-take home ng something like 120 to 125. I'm not sure, Your Honor.
So, ibig sabihin po, sir, Mr. Chair, kailangan nyo i-inform ang komite pa kung magkano yung base pay nyo dahil doon po i-compute yung kalahati
I
na
have,
inyong ibibigay sa inyong estranged wife at mga anak ninyo.
Your Honor, if I may, and I would like to call my admin assistant because I have brought with me my pay slip just to make sure the amount that I am receiving right now. But rest assured, Your Honor, again, hindi ko talaga nakuha yung exact amount. Kung nagkamali man ako, I'd like to ask an apology to this honorable committee, but my objective is to give support to my children because they're my children.
And sir, bukod pa po dun sa payo ng komite na kalahati nung base pay ninyo, paano naman po yung isa pang payo namin na yung tuition din po ng mga bata every year?
Ang pagkakaintindi ko po, kasi hindi naman po natin na diskusyonan yung details po. The amount that I will be giving encompasses everything. So, kasi willing ako to support their schooling ever since sinusuportan ko naman po. Nagsimula lang din pong nagka-problema, so naputol. Pero as I mentioned during the executive session, I have reasons, so, pero ayaw ko na pong i-insist yun. Ang sa akin ko lang po, sana po, tingnan nyo rin po yung willingness ko to comply. There was just a miscommunication as to how much money should I give monthly. Willing naman po ako.